Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a quick video running you through the service light reset on this 2015 Jeep Renegade. Now there's two resets on these. One's just for the oil change and one's for the service interval. Now the oil change is fairly straightforward, but the service interval one actually has to be done with a snap-on, well, not with a snap-on one, just with any diagnostic machine, but it will have to be a decent one. So if you go on to, this is using the snap-on Modus Edge, but we've got the service reset option there, and when you go into it, you can see on the diagnostic machine, it'll give you the two options, oil change or the service information one. Basically this was just saying service expired on the dash, so that one's not relating to the oil change, so it'll have to be done with a diagnostic machine. If it's just the oil change you want to reset and it's just pinging up oil change due, it's really straightforward. To do that one, all you need to do is just turn the ignition, start with the ignition off. If it's a button one, I'll just turn this to stage 2 like that. With your button one, just press your button once just so it does it. But once on there, just simply press and release the accelerator pedal 3 times. Once you've done that, you can just release the pedal, turn it off, and when you turn it back on, your oil change will be reset. But I did quite a bit of research into it. I see a lot of people looking for it, but for the actual service expired, you do need a diagnostic machine. So just thought I'd share the video in case it helped anyone else. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.